ride today because it is wet. This is what we have resorted to. Say hello, Ollie. Ollie, say hello. Okay then. Be like that. This is the score. This is the score so far. David 2, me 2, and then there's Ollie with 1. Can't ride because of this. We're wet. Yeah. That's pot of ball, so here he goes. Getting all thrown up.
I don't know. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to.
Shot and a half. He is now snookered. He cannot hit his ball. He is the Reds. Now he's trying to get all pro'd up, but it's not really working.
No!
He is happy. He has got 2 shots. Here is Ollie's break. He needs to check his shot.
Just get all thrown up.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Leave me alone with it. How pro was that? Out outside, resorting to this sick ledge right here because we're that bored. And yeah, this is David's new deck thanks to moi giving him my AOS. Beautiful. And yeah, we're gonna get some clips.
Yeah, straight. Clean. Straight. Whoa! You ready? I'll do 2. Yeah! Oh man! Was that it?
We are now playing darts.
Oh, so beauty. Take them out then. Wait, Tiny, you're the scorer. Oh god.
Well done.
Only £49.99 and 18 volt cordless turf, £19.99.
Well done.